everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitchell, and this is maculatelife. As you can see, I'm about to do my niece's hair. It's a hot mess. She's getting braids, but this video, y'all seen me do her braids before, but that's not what this video is about. I found a new conditioning braid gel, and so this is I'm going to be using this. So I want to see how this does on her hair. Some of the things I'm looking for is the shine, how it feels, the consistency, and I'm looking for any flaking. So if this doesn't flake, I'm gonna be very happy. This is what it looks like on the inside, and it smells so good. This is the strawberry, and the good thing I like about this, it says with biotin, so which is really, biotin is good for the hair, skin, and nails, so that's really good. Yeah, so I'm really excited about it, and it says style as desired, and you want to make sure that you keep the cap closed tightly after each use. So let's go ahead and get into it, and y'all stay tuned. Oh, and please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up before leaving. Subscribe and turn your notification bells on so that way you know I drop a video. Let's get started. Okay, everybody, so Mira has been shampooed, conditioned. I also gave her deep conditioning, and I gave her a small trim. And now I'm about to use this product. So now I'm about to use this product. Let me show you again. I think it's called Tyche, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna try it. It says extreme hold and has biotin in it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm gonna look at is how it does on the hair when I part it. So let's see. Okay, y'all, so I actually like it. I like the braid gel. I can say that it's giving a nice shine to the base of the braid. I really do like it. It's turning out really good. It's really good. I really do like it. So I just wanted to get to a stopping point to show you all that. I'm pretty pleased with it. y'all. So we are done. Very nice, neat, clean. She wanted the ends kind of wavy, so this is what we did. And that is it, y'all. So real quick, I want to talk to you about the product views. Turn around again so they can see you. So I like the product. Something's going on with this. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, so I like the product, but I still like this one, the neat braid. I like this, but the other one is still good, but it's not better than this. But I'm going to play it out, and I'm going to give y'all a better update because I'm going to see how it does on her hair, and I'm going to have her let me know how it does on her hair. But anyway, I did like it. I love the consistency, the smell. I like the smell. Did you like the smell, Mira?
Yeah, it's good.
It smells good. It's like strawberry. They also have it in cherry and peach, I think. But that is it, y'all. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Turn those notification bells on so that way you know I drop that video. And I thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a great weekend. Bye, y'all.